Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. We're gonna be installing this wig in 0.2 seconds. If you don't have a lot of time, this is the perfect review to watch because we are gonna be done before we even get started, girl. Let's give a warm welcome back to WowAfrican. They are today's hair sponsor and I'm so happy to have them back. When I first started YouTube, we collaborated. It's so nice to see when a company comes back from like the beginning. This is the Highlight Kinky Texture Natural Curl. She comes ready to wear, pre-curled. Comes in a 360-degree lace, adjustable Invisi-strap. This is in a highlighted kinky texture. As you can see, baby, she is beautiful. She is gorgeous. She comes pre-plucked, pre-cut with the little silicone strips inside. That is something new. I haven't seen the wigs with the silicone strip inside, but she should fit 100% glueless. And she comes ready to wear, pre-cut. Literally just throw it on and go. Tuck my hair underneath the band. Ooh, she fits good. Yup, they know how to make wigs over there. Okay, so she comes in a side part. No, she's cute. And don't forget to pull your little elastic drawstring. It has 2 on each side, so we just pull it and then we just tuck it in. And then we repeat for this side. And then tuck it in. And that's gonna secure your back so you can actually wear it in like a ponytail style. I'm gonna go in with some lace melt spray, okay? And I'm gonna secure my front. I don't know about you, but I don't want it glueless completely. So I'm just going to put some product. Not a lot, just a tiny bit, because it does work pretty well gluelessly. But I want that lace to be melted down. Just look at that lace, y'all. I'm not trying to disturb the curl pattern too much. See, like right here, a little frizzy. Just go on with a tiny bit of mousse and tame that. If you're gonna comb it, get a comb that has big teeth and just kind of go in there. Notice I'm not combing it fully out because that's gonna just give a different look that I don't necessarily know that I want just yet. I want the curls to still be beautiful. So I'm just trying to create some volume right now, but not disturb the curl pattern too much. It really looks like it's my hair. Okay, show you what the back is giving. Okay, you can most definitely put this hair up because it is a 360 lace. And remember, she is glueless. This is the install. Look how easy this was. I didn't have to do anything that was complicated, and this is what your result is gonna be. Now this kinky texture looks so realistic. Never before have I installed a wig where the hair texture looked so believable. If you are a 4C girly, a natural girly, and you just want something that's fun and, you know, a bit playful with some highlights for the summer, but still is gonna give you a comfortable fit and a comfortable look, you know, you're not stepping too much outside of your comfort zone, this wig is absolutely beautiful. And look at the density in the body. Like, she is still bouncy. Even though she's kinky, she still has like a soft feel to her. She comes smelling good, looking good, feeling good. Like, she is cute. I love the ashy highlights. I like the fact that it has a dark root, because if you know me, you know I love me a dark root. So I'm super impressed with this wig. She is cute. For a shorter style for the summer, this is a great option to have. And I love big hair, and I know that this wig can get even bigger. I can't wait to restyle it in different styles to see what the texture is giving. I just had to end this video off with the middle part and the little baby hairs, because middle part is really where my heart is. You know, at the end of the day, a side part moment is fun, but baby, when you really want to be that girl, just go ahead and do a middle part. And I'm so glad that I did. I did have to recurl some of the pieces because I try to brush it out. I try to put some mousse. So if you see that the curl pattern is a bit different, that's why. But hey, I am here for it. This wig is absolutely beautiful. And if you're not a side part girly, just go ahead and switch it up to a middle part, because I think the middle part is eating down on me way more than the side part. Let me know what you think. Side part, middle part, which part looks the best? Because I don't want to be delusional, but I really believe that the middle part is the best part for me. Anyways guys, I'm gonna catch you later in another video sometime soon. Go buy you this wig. It's gonna be linked in the description box. Bye y'all.